Annyeonghaseyo everyone, welcome back to day 6 of our 14 days Korean challenge. We have already covered the basics, but today we are learning something most important and something so special. Today we learn diphthong. It means complex vowels. So let's start today class. I hope you guys remember the basic vowels. So I think you guys remember it. We already learned the basic vowels. Today we are going to learn complex vowels. So look at the first line. A, ye, a, yes. This they both pronounce like, this one is like egg, sound like egg, and this one sound like yes, so this sound like egg, this sound like yes, like egg, yes. I think you guys understand. So look at the second line. You can see there the O and A plus equal to wa. Just example like O plus A equal to wa. So it's like combine the basic vowels. So wa. This one also combine like O and E. Woi. This one also wo. This one also we. This one also we. This one also sound like we, and this one also we. I think you guys understand what I'm trying to explain you. It's little bit of tricky, but is similar to the basic vowels. Just combine the vowels, so it's easy, I think. So today class is done. Practice at home 5 times and try to your best. So you officially finish the vowels. Tomorrow on day 7 we'll start combining this with consonant to make real words. So I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful for you, hit like and subscribe to learn with me Korea. See you tomorrow. 감사합니다.